I know why that cage bird sing. I know why that cage bird sings. I know why that cage bird sing. I know why that cage bird sing. Oh, little black birdie. Oh, I'm that little black birdie. I know why that cage bird sings. I know why that cage bird sings. I sing because I'm happy. I sing because I'm free. Yes, Ralph Smart, I once heard you say, Infinite Waters diving deep once again. I heard you said something about the little black bird or the bird in the cage sing because he didn't have to, something like he didn't have to go and find food. Or whatever it was that you said. This was about a year ago and I wanted to address it from then, but so sorry it took me so long, but still better late than never. So the cage bird sing because, just like Maya Angelou said, it is happy, and it is happy because it knows that it is free, even though it is caged physically in the cage. But the cage bird had realized that he's got a imagination, and through its imagination it can actually leave its body and go out of the cage and then come back in to its body in the cage. The cage bird had a revelation, and so it still sings because it's happy. It sings because it knows it's free. It knows it's free. Yes, it's not that, oh, the cage bird doesn't have to worry about other bird fighting it. It doesn't have to worry about hunting for food because the one that's holding it captive will bring food for it. No, the cage birds sing because the revelation came to the cage bird. Somewhere in that cage, the bird had access, or was granted access at some point, to the imagination of its own little brain, bird brain. I want to say bird mind. Go ahead. Yeah, the bird was able to fly out of there with its imagination. So the bird knew that it was more than just that bird body. The bird knew that it was more than just that bird body. Your imagination, can help you to break free. Yes, yes, yes.